everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. I'm with the lovely Emma today and we're going to be doing the push and pin updo. I hope you like it. Please put in the comments if you do. Let's get going. Okay, so I think Emma looks kind of cute with some bits left out, but this is optional. Just going to frame the face. Okay, so I want this style, guys, to be kind of like effortless and really like relaxed. So I'm just going to take this top section of hair here, wiggling my fingers, no exact science. And then I'm just going to twist that section and then just push it up. And then I'm just going to take a hair grip, guys, and just push it straight through like that. And then I'm just going to take another section of hair on this side, twist it away and then push it. And again, just push a pin straight through like that. I'm going to add another one, pushing it through. So I want this to be super textured, rough. So again, guys, using my fingers, twisting upwards like that, and then push. And again, another hairpin straight through. Boom, like that. So now before I go for these other sections, I'm just going to take hold of these tail ends of the bits that we've just pushed up. And I'm just going to kind of like flip them and pin them. So we're going to start piling this hair up. So I'm going to come back to this side bit again, zigzag my finger through, twist upwards and push. I'm going to take hold of that tail, give it a little twisty and just pop it straight in here, so we're building the volume here. So again, I think this style as well would work really well on like maybe 1 or 2 day old hair that you haven't just washed, or you can use some dry shampoo, just get that bit of grip in the hair. So you're just twisting it, pushing it, so you've got volume on the sides. So what I want you to try and do, guys, is like really build up this area here. So I'm just kind of pushing all the hair into this section. So last one here, guys, I'm just gently twisting up, pushing back down and pinning. And now we're just going to shape. So I'm just going to walk around the head and tease out and pin and just shape this hair a little bit more. So I'm just going to use a little bit of the Stylr Pro setting spray, so just a slight mist. And then I'm just going to kind of create a bit more texture with that hair. So I've got all that hair, I've piled it all in, I've teased out where I want it to be teased out. I'm now just going to go in and just curl these little bits that I've left out. So that is our push and pin, guys. I'm going to do a spin so you can see from all angles. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment. I always have a little read. Don't forget to check out my other videos and I'll see you next week. Bye.